You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop, ready to check out another water toy. The Tomies were all done, and I thought, well, let me clear out the bin of all the oddities. This is for sure an oddity. It is from Battat, however you say it, for service call, made in China. I don't see a year. It's really hard to read. There is a number on it, but it's very sticky. It's got that sticky rubber, which I've mentioned in previous videos on a Battat. So I was going to grab my little Q-tips. I was going to grab my little Q-tip, and I had the baking soda off to the side. I want to see if we can get this to not be sticky without using harsh chemicals. It's dirty. Now you want your baking soda to be more of a paste. I thought that was maybe cracked. It's not. It is definitely dirty. The whole thing is dirty. It is getting the stuff off the plastic. Yeah, this thing is bad. Let me dump a little of this water out. Get a little more of the pasty stuff. Well, what is this? Well, it's a Battat. It's small. It's probably about 5 inches tall, maybe a little bit more. It's got an orange top with a yellow. The whole top is a stopper, actually. There's a yellow big stopper on top of the orange. A purple base with a yellow button. And inside looks like sea creatures and little spinny wheels. Oh, there's a sticker on the back. $9.99 Galt Toys Baby Aqua Game from Toysmith. Well, let's see if we can get that sticky stuff up. Oh, yeah, that's much better. Now, hopefully, I didn't test it. The baking soda isn't going to be caustic to the plastic in any way. Yes, it has scratched it. I think any chemical at this point would have. But there's ways of fixing that. There's plastic polish, which I have used. Okay, let's fill it. Let's at least play it, even though you can't see it anymore. I do have a variety of plastic polishes, which I have never used on video, but they're made for this application. They're in multiple stages, though. You have to start really fine and work your way up. Or down. Finer and finer. Let's see, can we still see it? Yes, we can. Who would have thought baking soda would scratch? But we're here. It looks like you're in a shower. It looks like you're looking through a shower door. Okay, so I see. Can you see in there? Barely. There's a ladybug. There's a swirly wheel, which isn't swirling completely. There's a bee. A little butterfly, maybe. A worm. And it could be a turtle. I'm not sure. Maybe we can figure this plastic out. Hold on a second. Okay, this is called Scratch Out. And it says for plexiglass and plastic. Let's just dip one of these in. Okay, so it's going to have to be mixed better. But let's just see. Basically a polish. Really fine grit. There's still some other goo on there from before. This could take a while. Let me see if they recommend directions. Shake well, wash and dry car. Okay, pour onto clean dry cloth, spread evenly over scratched surface. Work in small sections. Okay. We're going to get a good amount on here. Well, the only way now is just to give it a quick wipe down and see if that helped in any way. I'm going to say it did help. It is better. Better than it was. Is it perfect? No. Smells like car polish. Nothing like fixing your own mistakes. I'm going to say it's better, but it's not great. It could be one of those, just more time. Maybe you need more grit. I think that's Nouveau, the polish that I'm thinking of. It's a higher grade. It comes in 4 or 5 bottles, and you start with each one, and it slowly starts to shine up the plastic. I think it's actually better. It sure is. Definitely is better. Okay, let's just leave it at that for now. I know it could be completely polished up with time and effort. I think it is just cloudy too. Now we can see better. Yeah. All those little scratches are out. Now we can see what's inside. Maybe more light would help. It just seems dingy, generally speaking. Okay, so the background, there's actually two snakes. It looks like they're eating the bugs. How tragic is that? Not ideal for a kid's toy. Oh, those snakes are cool. So basically it looks like you just want to get the little creatures in there. Looks a little hazier down here than up there. Let me bring in a light. Okay, so that looks a little brighter now. See, this wheel's not spinning too great. It's the sun, it looks like, with little red tentacles and a smiley face. I think I can get that plastic even better. It's still got a little haze. While we're here, now it did say a soft cloth, and I'm using a soft Q-tip type thing, so I think that should work. Let me see if I can get more of the gritty stuff out. Ooh, that's good. Let's try just a little bit more. One more application. Too sprayed, looks terrible. Well, I think it's getting better and better. Just might take more applications. Okay. I probably should have used that first. To clean it and might have got that sludge off and polished it better. But I think generally speaking, like up in this top section, could use a little more. What is that little black thing? I thought it was a turtle. I can't really... It's some kind of beetle. Let me wipe this side off. some kind of beetle-like creature. It's weird. Some kind of bug. Alright, well, might be a little cloudy, but I think time will tell how much time you want to spend polishing. Either way, I've played it. It's a handheld water game. I was going to say electronic game, but no, it's a water game from Battat. Battat. Don't know what that bug is. It's got no legs. So basically, I think you just want to collect the bugs in the little catchers. And each snake has its mouth open in that section. There, that snake got them all. Alright, well, there you go. Maybe I'll work on this now that I'm done with the video. Maybe I'll grab a cloth and see if I can get it even nicer. Either way, thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned something about plastic polish. It's there. It does take time. And thanks for watching. Alright, I felt it only fair to come back and show you that I was able to get this much cleaner. I did a couple things. I polished it a little bit more, and then I heated it up. I've seen videos where people heat it up, and it helps the clarity. It doesn't affect the plastic, but you do need to be careful. I would say it's as crisp. It's actually better than it originally was, because now that I got all the glue off, I polished it. You could just see it. You probably can't see it, but it's just a little bit here where it's still fuzzy. But I think overall, the game looks much better. And I've analyzed this bug a little bit. It's got a gray face, a tan body, and a black bottom, but really stubby little legs. I was able to see him better. Let's see if you can get a better look at him. He's got 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 legs. Maybe you can see him now. Maybe I'll edit this and see if we can get in how super close we can get. But it definitely is a bug. And as you can see, it looks much better. I thought it only fair that you see the process finally through. It did take much longer than I would have time in the video. And look in the video, it looked terrible. I was doing the editing and going, well, it didn't really work that much, but it's just time. Elbow grease, they call it. And you just got to get them in the little plastic holders where the snakes are eating them. I think it just must be a little beetle. Ooh, that was a good shot of him. Let's try that again. Let me bring the camera down at a better angle. How's that? I can get just a side shot of him. Oh, there he is. Okay. Did you see him? Here he comes. He's got a line down his back, too. The only thing I haven't been able to get in there now is the bee. Oh, there. Okay. So the blue snake got the majority, and then the yellowish mustard snake got 1. Alright, I guess this was more of a restoration video than a playing video, because there's not much to it. It's not really you have to tic-tac-toe or put the triangles together like those Tomy ones. It's just really just fun watching your little bugs squirm around, fly around. Alright, so it's possible, if you have an issue with the plastic, to fix it. I do appreciate you watching, and I'm glad I was able to come back and show you the updated version. And thanks for watching, everybody. Later! If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.